video here. We are playing Offroading Epic. Let's just go in. Let's play the game. Mustang, Lifton Mustang, hey? Make it on you. Let's burn some mod, I guess. Or is that mod? That must be mod. Let's go through it, bro. Yeah, just don't rain, do it. Yeah, buddy. Do we? Just got us a new truck. Got a little money already. It's got bumping up and down, boys. Float up here. Come on, got a gooseneck in the back and everything. Should bring a semi. I should get a semi and bring it modern, hey? Oh, buddy. I think it's this way I'm gonna go. Oh, well, I got the eat watch stop. I'm gonna bring it to some mud again. That was deep. Oh. What have to find? Show me this part. Oh, bar, this is deep mud. This is deep mud, bro. This is deep mud. Oh, this is good for such a good look on it. Should have took off the tanks before we went in, but we're good. Can't do everything. I know that mud is so deep. I'm gonna cross that bridge. I'm gonna get off there. I do not want to fall down there, bro. It's a cliff. Don't fall down there. No, don't fall down there. Don't fall down there. No, 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 no. Oh. We had to fall down there. Let's climb out here. Turn down. Let's go through this way, hey? Oh, we're going fast. Oh, over the log. Oh, pretty good suspension on this thing. And let's go over here. Oh, we can really start going fast. 100 on the dirt trail. We are flying, do we? Oh, dang it. We were going so fast, I didn't even know why this is dug out. I just want there to be a part where it just ramps out since you can just try to jump. What the heck? Looks like we're in a tunnel. No, we're not in a tunnel anymore. That leads off the map. No, wait, no, that's water. I never knew that there was a bridge there. Why isn't there that nice of a bridge over there crossing that? You just could have dropped it over some dirt, bro. Looks like my vehicle, mate. Thing's brand new. This thing's already covered in mud. Probably go wash this thing. Oh, buddy, we're stuck. We're freaking spinning. Oh, come on, get up there. Come on. Come on. Come on, Dolphin. Yeah, buddy. You climbed up there. Bounce up and down. Okay. And we watched it here. And just turned around there, going around there, because I did not know that the bridge was here. What's the point of this bridge? And there's like the tiniest pond of water down there. Oh, it's a pretty nice bridge there. Oh, buddy. Should buy that. I need to get a freaking trailer. I would have that. Oh, Must be a bit snowy over here. Oh, almost rolled it. Why is there palm trees when it's snowing? Oh yeah, come on inside, boys. Is there mud? There should be. I wish there's mud when it's snowing. Oh, I have to, bro. How is it not frozen? I thought I could be able to drive over it. Oh, now my heat's so dirty again. Should actually buy an and actually use it for mudding up this thing. I'm gonna go buy an quickly. I'll be back. Before you know it. I found one that's near here, so I gotta go get it now. I'm trading. No, I'm trading it. Seriously, yes, I am trading it. Because this thing is like 5 years old now. I've had it for 5 years. I bought this thing brand new. Gosh, there's so much mud where I'm driving right now. Flowing right now. Let's see if we can hopefully. Oh, keep going straight. Where are we? Oh, we're back here. That's a massive mud hole. Well, I guess we can go back now. Let's go through this puddle of mud. Jeez, why is it so deep? I don't know why it's being so deep. Oh, someone's up there. He's gonna get stuck. Oh, I think that's it. Let me go up there. I'm gonna walk out there quickly. Let's see if we can just climb up there. I think we can. We should be able to. You think so? I don't think that was the NTLX, I think that is. We should be able to climb up here. Oh, we're just gonna hit it. Oh, let's turn around here. Oh my god. That's off the edge here. Spinning a bit. We're spinning a bit, aren't we? Gotta be careful. Oh, there's a huge rock there. Yep, there's a huge rock there. I can't see anything because it's like there's a cliff over it. Oh my god. Up it. Yeah, get on that side. Oh my god. Oh crap. Oh buddy. Yeah, this. Oh, hopefully we can make a home without crashing here. Oh buddy. We've almost done. Almost. Stop. Wait, let me help out. Oh, it does want you to help out. What? Oh, wait. What's my hat? Money should be what? I don't have money, but strange. Sauce. Strange. I'm not a fan of the heat that the dude was using. I might have. Let me help out for some reason. I should do a run in the mud. The center of a 4x4. Center of a 4x4. I don't know what the heck that is, but why did it give us a Hilux? It goes so fast. Oh, no, that does not that, didn't I? Yee, birdie. Sing fly, say, boys. Thinks it's gonna be much of a modern truck. Gotta put the vehicle away today. You guys take off me? I guess we'll do it. To the next one. Bye.